Instructions. Listener, now repeat after me. Question. What time do you wake up? Sir. I wake up at 6:30. Instructions. Listener, repeat after me. Question. Is the alarm loud? Answer. Yes, the alarm is very loud. Instructions. Listener, repeat again. Question. Do you stretch in the morning? Sir. Yes, I stretch my arms. Instructions. Listener, now it's your turn alone. Where do you go after waking up? I go to the bathroom. What do you brush? I brush my teeth. Is the water cold? Yes, the water is cold. Do you shave every day? Every morning. Where do you take a shower? Bathroom. Is the water warm? The water is warm. Do you feel more awake after showering? Yes, I feel more awake. What do you dry yourself with? I dry myself with a towel. Do you comb your hair? Comb my hair. Where do you choose your clothes? I choose my clothes in the bedroom. What do you put on first? I put on my shirt. Do you need socks? Need socks. What do you tie? I tie my laces. You ready quickly. Almost ready. Where do you go for breakfast? I go to the kitchen. What drink do you need? Need coffee. Do you pour water? You pour water into the machine. What do you turn on? Turn on the machine. Does the coffee smell good? It's very good. Instructions. Tip moment. Answer with your own response. What do you prepare for breakfast? I prepare some toast. Do you put butter on your toast? I put on some butter. What drink do you have with breakfast? I drink a glass of juice. Do you eat quickly? Yes, I eat quickly. What do you wash after breakfast? I wash my cup. Do you check the time? Check the time. Late? I'm going to be late. What do you grab before leaving? I grab my keys. When do you leave the house? I leave the house at 8. Do you lock the door? Lock the door. Where do you walk to? Walk to the bus stop. Who do you see at the bus stop? I see my neighbor. What do you say to your neighbors? Say good morning. Instructions. Tip moment. Think only in English now. Is the weather nice? The weather is nice. Does the bus arrive on time? The bus arrives. Do you get on the bus? Get on the bus. What do you show the driver? Show my pass. Do you find a seat? Find a seat. What do you look at out the window? I look at the city. Is the traffic heavy? The traffic is heavy. Does the bus move quickly? It moves slowly. What do you listen to? Music. You read something. Read the news. How do you know your stop? Street. What do you press to stop the bus? Press the button.